talk about how can you fix this problem or know how you can do that on your PDF or PDF reader app. So all you have to do, so you just click here on settings, click on it here. When you just click here on settings, so then it's going to take you to this is here. It's going to show for you like this. Then you go down here, just keep going down here. So then you click here on apps, then you come to apps list here, and here you looking for all PDF reader app, or just click on search, then here add all PDF here reader app, you just click on it here. So then it's going to take you to this list, click here on full stop, then you click here on OK here, then you go down, just click here on storage, come to storage list here, just click on clear cache. Then all you have to do, so you just turn off your Wi-Fi and turn on it again, then it's going to work with you. That's all you have to do. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by liking, subscribe.